Let's talk about pizza peels, pizza pie server, pizza cutter wheels, Gifort 3-in-1 pizza cake baking set. Valued 3-pack set, dishwasher safe, oven safe, perfect for homemade pizza, bread, cake baking. The Pizza Peel 430 stainless steel, oven safe, non-toxic and durable. Smoother wooden handle, safer and more comfortable handling. Firm rivet connections sturdy and prevent bacterial growth. Hanging perforated design for easy storage. The Pizza Server Cake Shovel natural wood handle, 403 stainless steel blade, much better than normal stainless steel, can elegantly slice through pies, cakes and other pastries with ease. The Pizza Cutter, elegant kitchen helper, high quality stainless steel, oval handle shape for a pleasant handling, practical hanging loop, turning the wheel prevents scratches on the plate. With finger protection. Quality assurance, no need to worry about chipping or rusting as our product is manufactured with high quality stainless steel. Please dry after washing, do not contact with acid and alkali for a long time. Great set, lovely quality. My only concern is not being able to wash the stone in soapy water and the comments on the instructions stating that the stone will take on other pizza flavors in time or something to that effect. What if you had a meat feast or tandoori pizza and it flavored a standard one? But I'm sure it will be fine. Great to serve it to guests with though and a good size. The slice is also handy for using with cakes. I like this set as I never like putting pizza on a tray but directly onto the oven shelf, so the pan comes in handy to get out the oven. Only downside is the cutter is a bit wobbly and have to go over same place few times to cut, is so wobbly. Purchased to use with pizza oven barbecue accessory. Maybe small but do the job.